In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on LinkedIn. First of all, go to LinkedIn and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. In the left hand panel, you will see Data and Privacy option. Click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit. Under Job Seeking Preference, click on Job Application Settings. Here is Upload Resume option. Upload your resume. Click on Upload your resume. Select your resume and click on Open. Keep in mind, you can only upload under 5 megabytes file. Make sure this toggle icon is on. That's how you can upload your resume on LinkedIn. Now your resume is uploaded on LinkedIn, making job application easier and increasing your chance of being noticed by recruiters. That's how we can upload our resume on LinkedIn. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this one.